All right, guys, Honey Jefe here. It's July the 1st. It's about 1:45. I'm out here at the Green Apiary of one. And I haven't been out here in a while. I don't know what is going on. I have not. Let's see if I have at least that one hive here. I don't think I. Not looking good. Not looking good. I don't have my bee suit on, guys, so. Yeah. This is what I thought was going to happen. I see the bees cleaning up over there. There's nothing going on here. If there is, I'm about to get stung. Let's see here. Yeah. So you see that glisten there? That's a small hive beetle. So what I'm gonna do is just it's a small hive beetle, basically a trap. Swiffer sheets. You see how that? Let me see if I can knock off. I got anything in here? So the problem I did was with the ant beds. Let me try to do this here. Oh, there you go. Putting the small hive beetle boxes on the ant beds. The problem I did is having it too close to the apiary. I should have put them like way out there somewhere, but I didn't want to carry them in my truck. So this is what you got. So they slowly, I stuck some right there. Not a good idea. So basically I managed to kill every beehive out here. Look how terrible that looks. You just can't get rid of, you can't depend on, screen bottom boards and a few traps. Then you have a bad infestation. What happened here? They cleaned that out. Yep. Let's see what we got in here. Yep, cleaned out. Alright, so basically, just lost my entire apiary over here twice. I think that's part of the problem. I need to spend a good amount of time coming over here and picking all this up. I can't leave this out here like that, but I'm gonna let those guys die. I was just hopeful I'd come out here and see that one colony was thriving. I kind of knew after when I dumped all those small hive beetle larvae in the ant bed immediately right in front of the hive. It wasn't a good idea. Here. So this apiary is going to be down. I'll come out here and pick up some of that after I'll do it a little bit at a time. I'll I gotta harvest my honey. I harvested several, but you know, probably 15, 20 gallons of honey last night. I got a lot more honey supers to pull and several other apiaries, but this one here is not one of them. But I think I'll take that blue box that you can't see there and make it a workbench. Take it out to the cow pasture apiary, use it to store stuff in there, and I'm not going to use that for a hybrid anymore. I'll come up with a better way to make a queen bank to put extra queens in. I don't know. I'm a little bit irritated with this. I'm gonna have to clean all this up. I don't think I want to close it down, meaning I'm not going to ever come back here again. I just don't have any bees out here now. So I need to pick that up and pick up what I can and salvage all the frames and boxes that I can. I'm glad to know that this is like this now, rather than spending an entire day coming out here and with the anticipation that I'm going to have something to do in the middle of my harvest, which is going to start. Well, I actually started Saturday, but the biggest part's going to be next week. Anyway, guys, it's Honey Jefe. HoneyJefe.com. It's Honey with a J and Jeff with one F between two E's. That means Honey Boss.